Here's an old remnants of a burnt down building. Looks like an old pot grow way over there. Let's get out of the foot snow and see what we found over here. The dogs are a little excited today. Let's see what we found. Some deer tracks. A lot of deer tracks, huh? This is an old burnt down building of some sort. Look at this, people. Here's an old foundation. Hey look, there's the Palmer family. I don't know if we'll be able to get in here because it looks like they've got it pretty boarded off. And here's an old building here. Oh shit, I don't want to walk on plastic. I don't want to fall into an old well or something. That'd suck. Or into that. I think that's a sewer. I think I'd rather fall into the well. Old motor. Old motor. Hey look, it's an open building. What's in here? Oh wow, look at these buildings, how people build them. This is like truly 2x4s. This is pretty. Look at this building, what is up there? All the radiators. This is a really cool looking building. Just put everything how it was. Well, that's a big bee's nest. Yo, why don't you guys back up? That's a pretty big bee's nest. Let me see if I can't get a better view for you guys without my butt being stung. It's still winter time. That, man. I don't like bees, so I'm gonna skedaddle away from there. This is a really cool area. Looks like this used to be a shop of some sort. And it burnt down, and this would have been the house that burnt down. I wonder when this burnt down. Let me go all around this building and take a view around for you guys. Watch out for bees nests, you guys. That's a pretty big one. I'm not sure if they're even awake right now, but that was a big bee's nest. Creepy. Snakes and bees. I just don't like snakes and bees. So this used to be a door of some sort. Wonder if it opens. This looks like an old roll door. Oh man, that's not coming undone. They got it foamed in or something. Or maybe when it collapsed from the fire, it closed it in. Let's see. If we don't go around here, is there any openings to this building? Yeah, that's different. Yeah, I'm not sure what these are for. I mean, the clips, probably to hold pulps. We got some deer poo. Definitely a prime area for some deer. Let me walk this way. I don't like walking on plastic, but let's see what's over here. Oh, that's creepy. Look at that, people. Something can be here one day, be gone the next. Fire's nothing to screw with. Let's look under here. After seeing that decent sized bee's nest, I don't want to find any more. I think they're in hibernation still. I'm gonna gamble on it. Pretty sure. I've seen an old car over here, but it's really deep in snow, and I don't know if I want to make it that far over there. Oh, there's another car over here. I'll be right back, you guys. I'll see if we can't make our way over to these old cars. At least I know I see one that's not buried in snow. Old like rabbit pen. Ooh, what the? PGO, whoa. What the shit? That's sure weird. Kind of like this property. See a lot of potential in it. I wonder who owns it. I'd love to buy it. Let's look at this old car, you guys. I wonder if it runs. Wow. There's another one way over there, but it's buried. This one's, everything's unthought around it. A New Yorker? Oh, I don't want to walk in the snow. Damn it. Here we go. Ugh. Let's get up close to it and see what's it like. What year do you guys think this is? Oh, it's gone. The year. Okay. I don't want to go in it too much. I'll just do a quick view in here. Oh, wow, this is pristine. That's pretty. Wow, I love the inside of this. Look at the latches to open the door, everyone. Electric windows. Can you say Pitmobile? This is kind of cool. Besides being a big boat, let's close it back up. Look at these mirrors. Oh, it's all rusty. That's pretty cool. I wonder if it has a motor. You guys think it has a motor in it? That's, oops. I can't get it open right now with one hand. Hold on, let me see if I can't set you down for a sec. No, that's frozen. I tried. I bet you. Let's see. Here's the hood release. That was the hood release, huh? Oh, if you guys know how to get this hood open, let me know. I'd love to see if there was a motor in here. I bet you there is. Look at the pedals on that. How many miles does this sucker have? I don't see it. Hold on. Wow, not that bad. Definitely got some rodent damage in here. These Eastern Washington cars, though, so nice. Look, that's still shiny. New Yorker. That's pretty cool. Another hood over here. Alright. Let's get back over with the rest of the family. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I promised lots more as the snow melts, and as you see, it's starting to melt, everybody. Huh. Oh, that's weird. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time, bye. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new so you can see all the updated channels or the videos that we upload.